was a very big woodcutter. He used to take his big axe in the forest to cut down trees. Every month, one day he used to come and cut a lot of trees and take it along with him. The logs. What did he take along with him? The logs. Yes, and sell it in the market. One day when he came to the forest, he was trying to cut down a tree. This tree was very old and very big. It was the queen tree. Yes, while trying to cut it down, his axe broke. He was very upset. And then he went to the market, asked a few people if they could mend his axe. They said, "Go find it yourself." He went to the forest, stood in front of the queen tree and told her, "Please, queen tree, give me one of your log, one of your branch to fix my axe. I promise I will not cut you down or any of your trees. I promise that I will go somewhere else and cut trees from there, but not you and your family." Queen Tree was very naive. She was so good that she agreed to the woodcutter, and one of her branch fell down. The woodcutter quickly mended his axe and started to cut the queen tree. The queen tree cried and said, "No, you promised you would not do that to me." But he did not stop and cut down the whole forest. There was no tree left. Then he moved to another forest, and there the other woodcutters cut down all of it. But that poor woodcutter could not find anything. Then when he got back home, after many days of search, his kids said, "Where is our food?" The woodcutter said, "I could get nothing. I am so sorry. There are no trees left." Kids told him that at school they were told by their teacher that if you cut down trees, do not forget to grow more, because if there will be none left, what will you cut down to make things? Right? So the kids told the woodcutter to grow more trees. The woodcutter and the kids went to the forest where there were no trees left. And using their last money left, they bought a lot of trees. Everyone took care of them. And slowly the forest was made again.